So, greetings. So, could you start by providing a brief overview of your professional background and how you ascended to the role of CEO, sir?
All right, so uh, I'll put it in this way. So this is Balaji Ram. People call me Balaji. Currently, I have a couple of startups. Right, one is into oil and gas. The other one is into interviewing platform. So I born and brought up closer to Bangalore in India. Yeah. So I did my schooling and everything in Hosur. I did my engineering in Hosur, SNS College of Engineering. Then 2010 I passed out. 2010, the moment I passed out, I got an offer for a company called IHS Information Handling Service. I was a data developer there. I was a data developer for close by 2 years, I think. 1.8 to 2 years I was a data developer, and I was not happy with the job, whatever I was doing on a daily basis, right? Because I had to do the same thing every day, do the data cleaning, data cleanup, upload it into the database and whatnot. I had a lot of day-to-day works on a database. So I was not happy with the work what I was performing. So what I did is I resigned the job. 2012, maybe 11 ending, I resigned my current data developer job and I came out of the company, and I had my uncle who was working in United States. He was a program manager for a company. Then I told him, I can't work the same work every day on a daily basis, so let's start something new. Yeah. So he immediately said, "What kind of job we have to start?" Then I said, "I already have an experience in oil and gas, so let's start something called oil and gas." And that's how it started. So 2012, May 18th, I started my company, and it's called Right Side Private Limited. A lot of names changed my company because I acquired a couple of companies. Couple of companies initially acquired me on the oil and gas industry. So 2012 I started, 12, 13, 2013, 14, 15, we were developing the product, oil and gas GPS product. So 2015, I am live in the market, not Indian market, US market. So I don't do business with Indian market. My business is only with US market as of today. Yeah. So 2015, I got my first client called Saint Gobain Glass Company. You would have heard about Saint Gobain, right? So Saint Gobain is a US company. He is my first client. So the platform what I built for them was something related to carrying sand into making glasses. So you know how glass is made. It's been made by sand. Rubbing of sand, the glass has been made. So the Saint Gobain company had 470 cranes actually. So they had to ship the mud or the sand from one place to another. So they couldn't able to track the number of trains what they had. So I had to go to the US to meet them. And then when I met them, they gave me this project. So what exactly this product does is, so I created a platform, web platform, UI interface. Yeah. In that UI interface, I could create a GPS locations for all the 470 trains and install it into my platform. So that you sitting in front of your system, you could see where exactly the train is, train A, train B, train C, and what it is carrying, how much the shipment is in the godown. So these kind of things I was doing for the same Goban. This was for 2015.
Okay.
That's my first client. And then 2017, I had one more client in US. So that's called Dellbox. What they do is they are into oil and gas industry. So when I met them, they had an option of creating oil and gas platform. Oil and gas SaaS platform. So I had to create a platform, web platform or a SaaS platform to them on the oil and gas. So let's say, Chaitanya has a borewell at her home, right? So Chaitanya gives me a contract. That's in India, I'm telling borewell. But comparing to US, you get gas, everything from the borewell, not just water.
Okay.
A software to that, and we extract the data. So the of your laptop, you can see how much of gas is involved, how much oil is involved. So that's on 2017, and I think that's pretty much on the product test. So from that day, 2016 to 2024, we are still doing and we are live. So I'm sorry, guys, I'm back. Where did I lose you?
Sir, you were telling about borewell. There you have left.
What I was telling? Say that again.
It's about borewell. Borewells,
Okay.
oil, and
I think you missed couple of minutes. Which anyway, I'm really sorry about that. I have network
it's
issue,
okay, sir.
but I'll try to cover this, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's say you have 2 to 3 borewells at your home. You give me a lease. So I take that as a lease, and I extract the oil or gas, whatever is from that borewell, and give it as a data to you. So that you can control your laptop, and you could say this borewell, how much gas have been extracted, how much oil have been extracted today, last 6 months, last 1 year. And we have integrated machine learning as well. So as that I'm uploading all 6 months of data to one platform, and you can predict next 1 year of data by using our platform. So that's pretty much about myself. Today we are here 2024. All my couple of my products are live and it's running good. I got grace, so nothing has been stopping them. So that's about my professional part.
Okay,
And I have a team of 42 people. I started my profession from 0 people to 8, 10, 14, 20 people, 24, and now we are 42 people of a team.
Great,
So
sir.
my head office is in US, my branch office is in Bangalore, my other branch office is in also.
Super.
So that's
sir.
pretty much
Sounds
about myself
interesting.
and my companies and my professional.
Okay, sir. So, as the CEO, what would you identify as the core values that have shaped your leadership philosophy, sir?
Okay, in one word I could tell, hard work is important, right? When you start something as a CEO, you can't just be a CEO, right? You have to start from data developer. Let's say if you're a data company, you need the data background to play a role with all the positions in your company, right? Hard work is always important, but the other way is you need knowledge of all the, roles whatever your company plays. So today, let's say I have 6 to 7 departments in my company: testing, development, marketing, sales and marketing, QA, right? So all these departments I have played myself into the role. So that's why I know what is plus and what is minus in the departments what I have. So I think that gave me confidence to acquire more clients for it.
Okay, sir. Sir, and now, can you share a notable success story of yours?
I think I just shared all the success story whatever I had. I spoke to you 15 minutes on that.
Okay.
Isn't that enough, or you want me to still? I can go on and on and on for next 2 hours to talk. Do you have patience to listen?
Yes, sir, I would. I'm happy to hear.
Yeah, but unfortunately, I'm traveling and I don't have much time. All right, so the success story is simple, When you're being a part of team, let's say you are a core team of 4 to 5 people, make sure you trust everyone in the team and everyone wants to succeed in the life and the company as well.
Hello. Sir, you aren't available.
Can you guys hear me now?
No, sir.
I'm really sorry, guys.
think it's a problem with us, sir. Wait a minute. 1 minute, sir. We
I'm
don't
back.
have premium accounts, so it has ended. So the last session was ended.
No problem. So, how many questions you have more?
Yes, sir. We have some more questions. Now Ishwari will ask you, sir.
For some reason, your voice is stopping. I think you don't have a good internet connection. I'm really sorry.
Maybe, sir.
Could you repeat whatever you were telling?
Yes, sir. Actually, the last session was ended as we don't have premium account. Now we will convince her. Now Ishwari will ask you questions.
Okay, please go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. Myself Ishwari.
Yes, Ishwari, go ahead, please.
Can you share my notable success? No, sir. How do you approach critical decision-making process, especially when faced with complex challenges?
That's quite a simple question. You fail a lot of times, right? Unless you fail and succeed, you won't get to know whether you're succeeding it or not. So I'm not hesitant to do or take decisions 10 to 15 times, right? So the first 10 decisions, if I fail also, the next 5 decisions, I'm not scared to do it. That's how you succeed in making decisions. Let's say you have 10 decisions, 8 failing, and 2 you are succeeding. The 11th one will also be succeeding. So always don't hesitate to fail. Fail is the stepping stone of success. Yes, please. Next one. I think I've answered the question.
So, what strategy initiatives have you implemented to position your company for sustained success in a competitive market, sir?
You also don't have a good internet. Your voice is stopping off. I think you all can turn off your video. Let's see if that helps.
Okay, sir. So, now am I audible? Hello? Sir, am I audible now?
Yes, I'm back. What was the question? Could you repeat that, please? And who was asking it?
Yes, sir. So, what strategic initiatives have you implemented to position your company for sustained success in a competitive market, sir?
Oh, yeah. Strategy, right? Okay. To please or to attract any new clients in the industry, first you have to give them the taste. Let's say you have a bakery shop, right? You have to give the customer a taste of your sweet. Don't give the entire sweet. That way you lose your credibility. So just give a small taste of your sweet, whatever you have prepared, and make sure that sweet has something. He has to come back to you again. So when I build my product, I just give them a taste. I just give them a flavor of the product what I've built them. Right? Don't just say for the first 100 days it's free, you can use it. So my way of strategic way of giving them is I give 1 week of free product. I would say next week buy a trial version, right? So that's how it works. So first you explain everything to your clients. You give them 1 week free access to your product, and the 8th day if he comes back to explore the more product, you ask them for a free version, trial version of 30 days, and the trial version of 30 days expired, you go for the paid version. So that's my strategy.
Okay, sir. Sir, shall we? May I know that how many languages do you know, sir?
That's a good question. So I can just tell you we can note it down. So first I would start with Telugu, Tamil, English, Hindi, Urdu, Kannada, Malayalam. I think 7. Yeah.
Every language you know deeply or only a basic of that, sir?
I know deeply, but I can't write most of the, I can't read and write most of the languages, but I can fluently talk and understand.
Sir, and what programming languages you know, and what programming language do you find interesting and easy for you, sir?
So, to be honest, I'm not a programming guy because I'm most of a management guy. But when I started my career, I developed a couple of Java jobs, and now I am into some Python, but not extent, right? Just a basic level Java guy, basic level Python guy. But now my team uses full stack and mid stack.
Okay, sir. Sir, how did you empathize your problems of your customers, sir?
Yeah, sorry, what was the question? Sorry, guys, I have a background noise. I'm really sorry. So, what was the question? Could you repeat that?
Yes, sir. Sir, how did you empathize the problems of your customers, sir?
Customer problems, customers are first priority for me. So customer problems are my problems. So currently my company we have sorted 4 to 5 customer problems, let's say P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. We call it as priorities. Priorities 1, priorities 2. So anything you reach my help desk as priority 1 or 2, we have SLA time. So that is turnaround time. That should be resolved within 2 hours. Anything which is P4, P5, we have 1 day time. So this is how we follow.
Okay, sir. Sir, now my friend Sumaya will ask you questions.
Hello, sir. I'm Sumaya Fatima. Creating a positive company culture is crucial. How do you foster collaboration?
No, I think your microphone is too far from your mouth. Your voice is not clear. Could you repeat that?
Company culture is crucial. How do you foster collaboration and a sustained success in this competitive market, sir?
Yeah, as I said before, right? Everything comes on the teamwork. So you need to keep your team busy and you need to keep your team happy as well in the same time. So that's how team works. So it doesn't mean that there is only they come to your office, work 8 to 5 or 6 and go back home. You doesn't carry about their family. So according to me, family then work, right? So anything related to my colleagues, my employees, right? First I care about their family, their wellness, their well-being, and then move to the product. I think that's giving me a success till today.
Yeah, okay.
So, what all projects you have done during your college days, sir?
Honestly, zero.
Okay, sir.
I was the last bencher in my college, so my friends they have done a lot of projects, but honestly, I haven't done any projects. I've done some projects, but not that depends upon mine. I had to borrow with someone because right, like how you people do, right? Like you are 3 to 4 people, you're doing projects. But for me, I didn't do any project to be honest. That's the answer.
Okay, sir. Sir, did you concentrated much on your CGPA, sir?
No, as I said before, I am the backbencher. So, no, I didn't do anything like that.
Okay, super, sir.
I am the last bencher guy, so you know what is the answer.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir. Myself, Chaitanya.
Yes, Chaitanya.
Can you provide insights into how you handle conflicts within the organization and promote a healthy work environment?
Yeah, that's a good question. I think no one can answer this question 100%, right? Because things comes, things goes. When you have more number of people in the office, you may get a lot of, conflicts, especially conflicts with development team and testing team, right? Because the development team say, I'm done and I don't have any issues with my product, but then the testing team comes, no, this is not working. This is not right. And the customer comes and says, this is also not working. Then the customer will depend on the testing team will depend on the development team. So you have to play a mutual game between these three. No one is right, no one is wrong here, right? So when you're talking to the development team, just make sure you are supporting them. Vice versa, when you're talking to testing, you support them and say, okay, you guys are doing it, but make sure you guys are finding it this time. I think that will lead the success.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, I'm Dakshata. How do you stay informed about industry trends and how does your company adapt to innovation?
Yeah, that's a good question. So I follow a couple of gentlemen on Twitter, couple of other gentlemen on Instagrams and whatnot, and I go and most of the time I go to Dubai for for a concert, live thing and whatnot. So the more you meet new people about the technology, you will get more informed about it. Yeah. Did I answer your question?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Sir, thank you for sharing your valuable insights.
Okay.
So thank you for spending your valuable time, sir. It was really an informative session for us.
It's been a pleasure learning from your experiences. Thank you.
Thank you so much for spending your
All
valuable
right,
time.
you guys have a good day there. Thank you very much. Sorry, there'll be background noise. All right,
It's okay.
take care.
Bye, sir.